Hello everyone, and welcome back to a Auto Luxury channel, the channel where we celebrate remarkable machines, timeless craftsmanship, and the stories behind some of the most unforgettable automobiles ever built. If you enjoy classic car content, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of automotive enthusiasts. Today, we are taking a closer look at a true American classic, the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. This beautiful automobile represents an era when style, power, and innovation came together to create vehicles that captured the imagination of drivers across the country. More than 6 decades later, the Dynamic 88 remains a shining example of Oldsmobile's dedication to quality and performance. The 1961 model year was an exciting time for the American automotive industry. Manufacturers were competing fiercely to offer larger, more powerful, and more stylish vehicles. Oldsmobile was at the forefront of this competition, and the Dynamic 88 stood as one of the brand's most successful offerings. Positioned as a full-size car with impressive comfort and strong performance, it appealed to families, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. One of the first things that stands out about the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 is its striking design. The car featured clean lines, elegant curves, and a bold front grille that immediately announced its presence on the road. The sweeping body shape reflected the futuristic styling trends of the early 1960s while maintaining a level of sophistication that continues to attract collectors today. The front fascia showcased dual headlights integrated into a wide chrome grille. Chrome accents were generously applied throughout the vehicle, highlighting its premium appearance. The long hood and expansive body gave the Dynamic 88 a commanding stance, while the subtle tail fins at the rear served as a reminder of the design trends that had dominated the previous decade. Interior. Inside, the Dynamic 88 offered a spacious and comfortable cabin designed with both practicality and luxury in mind. Passengers were treated to wide bench seats, premium materials, and an impressive amount of interior space. The dashboard featured a clean and stylish layout with easy-to-read gauges and controls positioned for driver convenience. The interior reflected the optimism of the era. Bright trim, attractive upholstery options, and thoughtful details created an inviting atmosphere. Whether driving across town or embarking on a long road trip, owners could enjoy a level of comfort that was highly regarded during its time. Performance. Under the hood, the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 delivered the performance that helped establish Oldsmobile's reputation. Buyers could choose from powerful V8 engines that provided smooth acceleration and dependable highway cruising. The renowned Rocket V8 engine family was a major selling point for Oldsmobile, and the Dynamic 88 benefited greatly from this engineering excellence. The available engines produced impressive horsepower figures for the period, allowing the car to move its substantial size with confidence. Combined with a smooth automatic transmission, the driving experience was refined and enjoyable. The Dynamic 88 was not only a stylish cruiser but also a capable performer that could easily handle the demands of everyday driving. Another aspect that made the Dynamic 88 stand out was its focus on ride quality. Oldsmobile engineers worked hard to create a suspension system that delivered a comfortable and stable ride. The result was a vehicle that glided over highways with remarkable smoothness. This attention to comfort helped make the Dynamic 88 a favorite among drivers seeking both luxury and practicality. Safety and convenience features were also becoming increasingly important during this era. The Dynamic 88 offered a variety of options that enhanced the ownership experience. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and power windows were available on many models, giving buyers access to features that were considered highly desirable at the time. Today, the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 holds a special place in the hearts of classic car enthusiasts. Surviving examples are admired for their elegant styling, historical significance, and dependable engineering. Restored models frequently appear at car shows, where they attract attention from people of all ages. Collectors appreciate the Dynamic 88 because it represents a unique moment in automotive history. It captures the transition from the flamboyant styling of the 1950s to the cleaner and more refined designs that would define much of the 1960s. Its combination of beauty, performance, and comfort makes it a standout among classic American automobiles. Owning a Dynamic 88 today is about more than possessing a vintage vehicle. It is about preserving a piece of automotive heritage. Every chrome detail, every curve of the body, and every rumble from the V8 engine serves as a reminder of an era when American automakers pushed the boundaries of design and innovation. The 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 remains a testament to Oldsmobile's legacy of craftsmanship and engineering excellence. It continues to inspire admiration from collectors and enthusiasts around the world, proving that great design and quality never go out of style. Thank you for joining us on Auto Luxury Channel. We explored the timeless charm of the 1961 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with fellow classic car enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments what your favorite feature of the Dynamic 88 is, and we will see you in the next video celebrating another legendary automobile. Did you like this feature?